Good afternoon. Winston Surgery. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Brian, please.
What is your name, please?
George Williams.
Okay, Mr. Williams. Please wait one moment while I find your details on the system.
No problem.
Thanks for waiting. Please can you explain why you need to see the doctor?
Well, I've had a cold and a dry cough for almost a week now. I'm worried that I might have a chest infection.
It seems that Dr. Brian is not available tomorrow. Do you think you can wait till Friday?
Oh, I really hoped I could come in today or tomorrow. I'm really worried about my chest.
I can book you in with the nurse instead. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. Can you come in for 2 p.m. today?
Oh, it's almost 1:30 p.m. I should be able to make it if I leave now.
Okay, I've booked you in for 2 p.m. today.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. We'll see you shortly. Goodbye.
Thanks. Take care.
Hey, Tom. I've called you 3 times already. Why aren't you picking up my calls?
Ah, Polly. I'm so sorry for missing your calls. I was about to call you back. How are you doing?
Don't worry about it. I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, actually. I just received some good news, so I'm over the moon.
Really? What's the good news?
I passed my interview for that job I was telling you about. I really didn't think I would get the job.
Wow! Well done, Tom. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks. Anyway, what were you calling about?
I just thought it would be nice to catch up. I haven't seen you in a long time.
You're right. I've just been so busy looking for a job. But now that's sorted, we can meet up.
Great! Where should we go?
We could just eat out at a restaurant. Do you have any suggestions?
There's this new dessert place. Do you want to go there?
Sure, sounds great. When should we go there?
Well, I'm working Monday to Friday, so the weekend works well for me. What about you?
I'm free on Sunday. On Saturday, I need to take my mom to the hospital.
Oh, is everything okay with your mum?
She's fine. It's just a routine checkup she has to go for every month.
Okay, good. Well, I won't keep you any longer. I'll see you on Sunday.
Perfect. Do you want me to pick you up in my car?
No, it's fine. I'll drive. It'll be a hassle for you driving all the way to Cottageville, then driving back into town.
Okay, no worries. See you on Sunday.
Good morning. Sarah speaking from Elite Academy. How may I help you?
Hi, Sarah. This is Sam Payne. I am Jack Payne's father.
Is that Jack Payne in Year 10?
That's right. I wanted to let you know that he won't be attending school today.
Please can you tell me the reason for the absence?
He's been extremely ill since the weekend. He has had a high temperature and he's been vomiting since last night.
Oh, I hope he feels better soon. I've noted down the reason for his absence. Please call in again tomorrow if he's going to take any more time off.
Okay, I will do.
Feel free to call back if there is anything else we can help with. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Good evening. This is Ben speaking from Fab Food. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order some food, but I've never eaten from here before. What's the most popular burger you sell?
We have a range of burgers you can pick from. The most popular one is the grilled chicken burger.
Does it come as a meal?
Yes, you can buy it as a meal. It'll come with a drink of your choice and fries.
Okay, I'd like 2 burger meals, please.
Which drink would you like?
1 Coke and 1 Fanta, please.
How spicy would you like the burgers?
Make one of them extra hot and the other mild, please.
Is there anything else you'd like?
Do you sell pizza?
Yes, we do.
Please add a small vegetable pizza to my order.
Are there any specific vegetables you would like?
No, just a mixture of vegetables is fine. Please also add extra cheese.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
That'll be £13.50. Your order will be ready in 20 minutes. Please can you give me your address?
3 Lake Avenue, Cottsville.
Thanks. We'll give you a call when the driver is nearby. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, bye.